This is a valve replacement video for the E153 series. The tools you will need for this repair include an impact wrench, a torque wrench, a ratchet, a 17mm socket, a hook tool, a round head tool, and a needle nose pliers. Note that the replacement for the valve is similar for both the inlet and outlet valves. Use an impact wrench with a 17mm socket to remove the outlet valve cap from the manifold. Use a needle nose pliers to remove the valve, the spring, the poppet, and the seat from the manifold valve bore. Use a hook tool to also remove the valve O-ring. Inspect the manifold packing bore for pitting, cracking, or other damage, and replace the manifold if necessary. Inspect the valve O-ring, the seat, the poppet, the spring, the cage, the valve cap, and the valve cap O-ring. Replace any components which are a part of a valve replacement kit, which can be found on the specification sheet. Insert the valve O-ring into the manifold valve bore. Assemble the poppet onto the seat and the spring. Install the cage and snap it into place. Install the assembled valve onto the valve cap. Install the valve assembly into the manifold valve bore. Use a torque wrench with a 17mm socket and tighten to the proper specifications.